Have you ever wondered how to find hidden gems in the online real estate marketplaces? There's a whole world of digital real estate at your fingertips, offering a myriad of possibilities. Today, we're diving into the many types of online real estate marketplaces, their advantages, and how you can uncover hidden treasures in the digital property world. First, let's talk about the types of online real estate marketplaces. Listing websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Trulia offer extensive property listings, often complete with property details, photos, and neighborhood information. Auction platforms such as Auction.com and Hubzu specialize in real estate auctions, allowing you to bid on properties from the comfort of your home. Investment platforms like Roofstock and Fundrise cater to real estate investors, offering opportunities to buy, sell, or invest in properties. Lastly, peer-to-peer platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo connect property owners with those seeking short-term rentals. So, what are the advantages of these online marketplaces? Accessibility is a major one. You can access property information from anywhere with an internet connection. Efficiency is another, as these platforms streamline the process, making real estate transactions less time-consuming. They also offer a wider reach, enabling sellers to reach a broader audience and buyers to explore properties beyond their local market. Moreover, they provide transparent information, including detailed property information and market trends. Plus, their advanced search filters help you narrow down your options based on specific criteria. Now, how do you find those hidden gems? One way is by looking for off-market properties. Some platforms specialize in off-market or pocket listings, allowing you to access properties not publicly listed. Foreclosure and distressed sales platforms like RealtyTrack offer opportunities for investors. Real estate auction platforms can also lead to unique properties with potential. Specialized investment opportunities can be found on platforms catering to real estate investment, such as crowdfunding or fractional ownership platforms. Online platforms may also provide a more dynamic negotiation environment, allowing direct communication and negotiation. However, when using online real estate marketplaces, remember to verify the legitimacy of listings and platforms to avoid scams. Supplement your online research with local market knowledge to understand specific area nuances and trends. Conduct thorough due diligence on properties of interest, considering factors like condition, neighborhood, and potential hidden costs. Also, check user reviews and testimonials to gauge the reputation and reliability of a platform. In conclusion, online real estate marketplaces offer a wealth of opportunities for buyers, sellers, and investors. They provide an accessible, efficient, and far-reaching platform for property transactions and can lead you to hidden gems in the real estate world. However, always proceed with caution. Conduct thorough research and consider the local market context.